Now this is going to be a new game called Follow Me. We are going to follow me. Now on the bottom, on the very, very bottom, I want you to just draw 3 different lines. Do you see where I am? It's like a U shape, a straight line, and an angle line that has 3 points. It's like the letter M with an extra point. Everybody, I want you to draw a big horizontal line across the bottom. It can be a straight line, it can be a curvy line, angle line, just all the way from one side to the next. And now I want you to have these little U shapes floating in the air, but they need to all stay in the same direction. Some can be bigger, some can be smaller. When you're finished with that, here comes the easy part. I want you to do something called pulling the line. It means you start at the bottom of the U and you pull the line down to your horizontal line on all of your little U shapes. So now remember that crazy M? It's an angle line. I want you to go up, down, and connect. See how I did a tulip in 3 lines? Can you try that? Up, down, up, down, up, down. And one more step. Are you ready for this one? We're going to do a sideways curve line on what we are now know those straight lines are stems. So let's make some leaves with just the same curved line on your straight line. What color are your tulips going to be? Rouge? Who can guess what color rouge is?
Red.
You got it, Everett. And what color is rose? It's the other color I have here. Rose is pink. So the word for rose, for pink, is actually a flower in French. Can you make little bitty straight lines on the bottom for grass? And the green grass grows all around, all around? Okay, so I want you to hold up your pictures and let's have a share.